on the brink of another blow-up, but a flare-up of their long-dormant feud diffused just in time. Beenie and Bounty leveling the vibes, and also for a good cause.
Bounty Killa. Body studios. Zaga. People.
Strange things are happening. Until we for no purpose and no answer. On the nation we got perplex, so make it.
Beenie and Bounty kicking off a new benefit series at Mecca, staged by dancehall queen Colleen for her sister who is fighting cancer.
Well, this is dear to me because, my sister is, diagnosed with cancer. So the fight continues and it doesn't stop here.
But Beenie and Bounty giving off signals of themselves kicking off yet again, as in a feud that went on for years, interrupted by an occasional makeup, only to break up once more. The two dancehall stars finally settling their differences in 2014, capping peace with a collab titled Legendary. Then at Sumfest, signs of tension many may have missed, followed by a heated exchange of posts on Instagram, now deleted, referencing events before and at the Dave Kelly tribute, leading some to expect fireworks at Mecca. By then, however, cooler heads clearly prevailing, both letting off some steam but leveling the vibes, sort of. Publicity stunt or renewed feud nipped in the bud, Beenie and Bounty opting to keep the peace, even if sometimes it looks more like a truce.
When we walk out on the stage and I walk off and then come back and work after. I don't like that, me a bad man, a man can't style me. And I add that style in some stage. I'm a forward of the show, you don't pay me no mind. You don't look for me, you don't send one bar and send over there and say, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom. I don't like that. At some stage, me a bad man. I want to my bad, so I have talk. So if I next about it, me a bad girl, you can't forward for the point. That's why I must say, the desire I will never like up. I'm a talker. Yeah, but I know war thing. What are you doing? And then you fight for 25 years. I know you want to come fight again. When you have 50, I'm good. Hey! Let me see how I do the one point and we have the one tonight. Come on, man, it's something still. Take it out, man. This kind of one, I can't buy that. I'm not taking back the just like a night and they don't want it. Bad man, they got me a jumping. Where you run, can? And you go on stage, go say where you're not say. Me see you, me no hear you. You don't hear me. Me no say nothing. When you gonna say something for you too talky. Me love you. Cross, Henry, this is my brother. Send me the hurry up, send me the hurry up, send me the hurry up. Wait, cut him off the field, cut him off the figure. We got the good little son.
In the end, Beenie joining Bounty during his set.
How we saw the club tonight? Hey, who the big club of the show? Hey, who the ear? Hey, who the other side? Go on. Let them find out that big man will 50. Sing for me now. No girl can't see no party. And if I get a child that she...
Colleen relieved things worked out and that the night's legends didn't lose sight of what the event was really for.
I've been patching up the differences over the years, and they did a little teaser today. People on social media ran with it, and you saw the outcome. And I want to just thank Bounty and Beenie for an awesome show and to contributing to what I was doing. They didn't hesitate. They stepped up to the plate and said, we're here. Big up to Blue and Banky, who's made it happen. When you put a gathering of people together, it makes you feel good even when you're not well, when you know the cause is for you.
Legendary, legendary, legendary.